Street is coming down. Sweetie's snack bar boarded up now. And Eggles the tailor and the Shine Boy's gone. Fitted out with ragtime blues. Andy's cast in bronze. And he's standing in a little park with his trumpet in his hand like he's listening back to the good old bands and the click of high-heeled shoes. Orpheus he sings the blues. He's propped up in his bed with his dentures and his leg removed. And Jenny's there. They're out of kindness. They're for beer. She's the old man's angel overseer. Bring him smoke and drink, and he'll play for you. It's mostly muttering now and sideshow spiel, but there was one song he played I could really feel. He said, "Oh, Furry's got nobody. Oh, Furry's got nobody." There's a double bill murder at the New Daisy. The old girl silent across the street. She's silent, waiting for the wrecker's beat, staring at her stolen name. Diamond boys and satin dolls, history falls to parking lots and shopping malls as they tear down Old Beale Street. Oh, Furry sings the blues. He points a bony finger at you and he says, "I don't like you. I can play in Spanish tuning." Everybody laughs. They think it's the old man's favorite joke, but it's true. We're only welcome for our drink and smoke. W.C. Handy, I'm rich, and I'm fey, and I'm not familiar with what you played. Oh, but I get such strong impressions of your heyday when I'm looking up and down Old Beale Street.